Hi, this is Dr. Aditi Mishra. I have done my BDS from A.H.E.A.D Dental College and Hospital, Rishikesh, batch 2016.
Hi, this is Dr. Nancy Agarwal. I have done my BDS from Subharti Dental College, Meerut, batch 2013. We have joined this academy 3 months back. Here we have learned many procedures like conservative dentistry and endodontics. In endodontics, we have learned basic root canal treatments and how to manage narrow canals, curved canals, post and core, how to do basic aesthetic procedures like midline diastema closure, composite veneers, etc.
For perio, we have learned how to do crown lengthening, flap surgeries with bone grafting, gingivectomy, splinting, fiber splinting, and for OS, we have learned extractions of firm tooth, root stumps, and surgical extractions with impaction. We have also learned how to manage pedo patients and how to do RCTs and re-RCTs for them. Uh,
In
you can join this general dentistry course. Here, it's a good environment with lots of OPD per day, and you can also learn implant, laser dentistry, and orthodontics in additional courses.
Thank you.
Thank you.